All right, let's open these liners up real fast, man. Get to this. I'm gonna start off, they got the little instruction pack. I never read this, but you know, look at these liners, man. Some real clean, sleek liners right here. I'm loving these ANDIS SLIMLINE Pros. Beautiful. Got the little charger right here. The charger station right here as well. And these little guard attachments, I'll probably never use the guard attachments. I think it's like 4 of them in here. Got a little cleaning brush. And of course some little clipper oil. As you see, I already took the blade off, already loosened it up, put it in my blade setter. You can also find this on Amazon. I'll put all the links down below. Screw it all back in real tight. A little difficult time getting it out, but we got it out. Nice and zero gap. Beautiful. Let me go ahead and screw the little screws right back in. Easy as 1, 2, 3, guys. Now you want to let these boys charge for about 2 hours before you start using them. All right, guys, we're finally back at the pad right now, man. About to go ahead and get into these ANDIS SLIMLINE Pros. I used the on-the-money blade setters, as you guys can see right here. Had a little difficult time trying to get it in the little grooves right here, but I accomplished that. Went ahead and got them nice and zero gap. Haven't tried them yet, so this will be the first time I'm trying them right now on camera. Like I said, I'm home now. What I went ahead and did was I had a lot of loose hair that had like a whole lot of bulk that was in this section right here, and the same over here, and it was kind of poofing out a little bit. So I went ahead and used my masters and knocked that down a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Just fine-tuned it a little bit. Knocked off some of the little flyaway hairs I saw down here. And threw my chalk lines on here as well, as you guys can see. And again, this is the Slimline Pro Li. Very, very light, man. These things feel so light in my hand. Like you can just do anything you want to do with these. You know what I'm saying? I cut them on before. The power seemed pretty cool. They stay charged for, it says, up to 2 hours. When you first get them, make sure you charge them for like the first 2 hours. And it'll be a green light on right here. And once that green light is off, that means they're fully charged. So they'll stay like this if I use them for 2 hours, I guess, you know, before I have to recharge them. But of course, it's not going to take me 2 hours to cut my beard, and I'm going to put them right back on my charger right after that. So and I'm also going to go into the chalk line just a little bit so I can get a sharper line, where I usually like hover above the chalk line, but this time I'm going to go into the chalk line just to make sure I can get a really sharp line. Just comb out these hairs in the back of my neck so I can get a cleaner line. Woo, these boys are hitting. And also I wanted to get this on the money blade setter also, so I can actually get my clippers sharp for my own beard, and also because I cut my son's hair from time to time, and he got some really soft hair, you know what I'm saying? So I don't want to really be cutting them with the Andis, maybe too sharp, you know, making them flinch all the damn time. So these would definitely be cool for him as well. All right. Got below the neck. Got that side real good. Nice and clean, man. And this clipper, you can actually find this on Amazon, man. I paid like $53 for this clipper. It comes with everything I showed you. You know what I'm saying? Really good purchase, man. Some really good reviews on this item. I would highly recommend this clipper, man. Especially for you guys that want to get that sharp beard line. I know a lot of guys like to rock the natural beard lines, whatever. But if you ever want to like just clean up all the way and get it extremely sharp, you can use the ANDIS T-liners. They got the ANDIS GTX. You know, all the clippers range from about $50 up to about 65, $70. You know what I'm saying? So you really can't go wrong. ANDIS, it's the brand that I've always known about. You know what I'm saying? Growing up, going to the barbershop with my granddad, or as I started getting older, going to the barbershop and cutting hair and all that kind of stuff, everyone used ANDIS, you know, and whether it be the ANDIS Masters, as you guys can see right here, I got these on deck. I've been having these for about 20 years, and this clipper still ticks. Awesome clipper. So I haven't really messed with Wall too much in my lifetime. Back when I cut hair like in the basement or whatever, or back in my college days, I think we had Wall home cuts. You can go to a drugstore and buy for like $13, you know what I'm saying? But since I've been doing this, man, it's been strictly ANDIS, you know. So I went ahead and faded up my cheek lines before I started this video. Knocked some of that bulk down because it was starting to bulk out a whole lot. So I wanted a more contour look to my face, as you guys can see now. It's a little bit flat down. Went ahead and did that with my ANDIS Masters. Knocked some of the flyaways off. Now since the chalk line is gone now, and you guys can see the line that the Slimline's produced, I want to thank you guys for joining me today. Continue to like, comment, and subscribe on the videos, and I'll holler back. Peace.